Feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life? What if just a few minutes each day could unlock profound inner peace and accelerate your spiritual growth? Today, you'll discover simple, powerful habits that can transform your well-being and bring deep tranquility into your world, starting right now. Imagine waking up each day feeling centered, connected, and at peace. This isn't a fantasy. With the right daily practices, it becomes your new reality. And the best part? These habits are small, achievable, and incredibly effective. Let's begin. Number 1, the morning reset. Start your day by grounding your mind and spirit. Take 5 slow, conscious minutes of deep breathing. Let your thoughts settle. Let your body relax. Write down 3 new things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your perspective and opens your heart. Then set one positive intention for the day: peace, patience, compassion, or personal growth. Let this intention guide your actions and your attitude. Number 2, mindful movement and presence. Bring awareness into your body through gentle stretching or a quiet walk. Feel each step. Notice your surroundings. Breathe with intention. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and truly savor every bite, its taste, its texture, its warmth. Even brief moments of presence can change the rhythm of your entire day. Create small digital detox moments for yourself. Step away from screens, even for a few minutes, and allow your mind to reset.